Well, guys, look at that. I've got a package, guys. Thank you, guys, for watching. Of course, the guy came up, rang the bell. I've got a package. Look what I've got. Yes, chrome. Great big old crash bars. Chrome bars for my motorcycle. Crash bars for my motorcycle. Guys, awesome. Awesome. Okay, so the first step to installing the bars is to loosen off these bolts on the motor mount. These are motor mount bolts. You take these motor mount bolts out. I already loosened them off. So you take these 4 motor mount bolts out. You slide this up to line up these holes. Like that. And this hangs underneath the front on the top. Basically, that's it. I'll show you how it hangs on the top in a second. Put this in here like this. Just take a little bit of wiggling around to fit it in. They should fit in fairly easily. You don't have to force them to go in. You just wiggle it around a little bit, and they they'll loosen if it feels like it's going tight. Then just wiggle it around a bit. The hole will adjust a little bit, and you'll be able to finger tighten them in. I can't remember what the torque spec is. I will look up the torque spec. Whoops. You just want to make sure they're going in straight and they're just turning in easy. You know, that there's no big... See, because this one's not even going in, right? So there you go. I have to wiggle it around a little bit. Because you don't want to force them in cross-threaded or anything. Because remember, these are going into the frame. They're pre-drilled holes, right? Ouch. I'm going to have to loosen this one up a little bit. I hit this one in enough. Uh-oh. That's not gonna work. Just gotta keep wiggling around if I have to, what I'm going to do, and that's what I'm going to do. Take this one out on the bottom. Put that one in first. She studies evil all the time. There we go. I said to push it with my knee. Give it a little push with my knee. There we go. There we go. Now we got them all in. Whoops. Now I have them all in. Now they're all going in right. Just didn't want to pull it up. Say, hey man, this is not the way I want to do it right now. Oops, oh, don't bang that. That's pretty good. I'm sure I can get him just about tight enough with this little ratchet. Well, I'd say that that's it. They are on. There's no question about that. That's freaking solid. That's pretty solid. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think I might have to do that. Eh? Put a better pinch on the top. Might have to put a better pinch on the top here. Might have to put a better pinch on the top here. That's where the top of them mounts. This might have to be pinched a little tighter. It seems just a little bit loose. But mind you, they're not made to, like, they're just made for you when you crash. But it should be tighter, I think. I don't know. Be nicer if this was totally a little tiny bit wider, a few more millimeters. Well, it's not so bad. That's pretty good, eh? I think they're torqued up tight. They're nice and beefy looking. They've got the right angle to them. That's not much. Doesn't take much to put these things on. Didn't take much to put them on. That's the way they all mount. Well, thanks for watching, guys. It's been awesome. It's been a slice. Thanks for watching. It's been nice. Love you all. Take care.